आप सबका यूपीएससी टाइम में स्वागत करती हूँ। आज की वीडियो में हम एनसीईआरटी हिस्ट्री क्लास 9 का चैप्टर 3 नाजिज्म एंड राइज ऑफ हिटलर का लेक्चर 2 देखने वाले हैं। प्रीवियस वीडियो में हम लेक्चर फर्स्ट कवर कर चुके थे। इट्स लेक्चर 2 ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। नाउ स्टार्ट द चैप्टर। The Nazi worldview. According to Nazi ideology, there was no equality between people but only racial hierarchy. The Nazis became creating an exclusive racial community of pure German by the physically eliminating those who were considered undesirable. They wanted a society of pure and healthy Nordic Aryan Jews, Japias and black Russian Poles. Even certain German and abnormal were considered undesirable. The other aspect of Hitler's ideology related to the geopolitical concept of Lebensraum or living spaces. Jews were the worst sufferer. In Nazi Germany, Hitler believed in a pseudo-scientific theory of the race, which said that conversion was no solution to the Jewish problem. It had to solve through their total annihilation. From 1932 to 1938, the Nazis terrorized, purposed, and segregated the Jews, compelling them to leave the country. The next phase, 1939 to 45, aimed at confining them in certain areas and then killing them in a gas chamber in Poland. The racial utopia, genocide and the war became two-sided of the same coin. Occupied Poland was divided. Poles were forced to leave their homes and properties behind to the occupied ethnic German brought in the form of occupied Europe. Youth in Nazi Germany, Hitler felt that a strong Nazi society could be established by the Nazi ideology to the children. All schools were given German teachers. Children were divided into two groups, desirable and undesirable. Textbooks were rewritten. Function of sports in a school was to neutral the spirit of violence and aggression. 10-year-olds had an enter of Javelin At 14, all boys joined Hitler Youth. They joined the labor service at 18. The Nazi cult of the motherhood. The boys were taught to be aggressive, masculine, and steel-hearted. Women were told to be good mother and rear pure-blooded Aryan children. They were encouraged to produce many children. They were given special treatment in a hospital and also got a concession in a shops, theatre, and railways. Honor cross were awarded to encourage women to produce more children. A bronze cross was given for the fourth, silver cross for the sixth, and golden cross for the eight or more. They had to the beer of the Aryan and the races. The Nazi regime used language and media with care and often to great effect. They used film, picture, radio, poster, etc. to spread hatred for the Jews. Nazism worked on the mind of the people, tapped their emotion, and turned their hatred and anger at those marked by undesirable crimes against humanity. People saw the world through Nazi eyes and spoke the Nazi language. At the time, even the Jews began to believe in a Nazi stereotype about them. Knowledge about the Holocaust. It was only after the war ended that people come to know about what had happened. The Jews wanted the world to know about the atrocities and the suffering they had endured during the Nazi killing operation. They just wanted to live, even if it was for a few hours, to tell the world about the Holocaust. And इसके साथ हमारा ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट होता है। अगर आपको इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड या सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड किसी भी टाइप की क्वेरी हो या कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं। अगर वीडियो को पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए। अगर चैनल पे नए आए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइम पे मिल जाए। एंड स्टे ट्यून। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।